In this session on ESO for SAP, we're going to look at SAP System Elastic Service. This service enables clients to make some planned capacity changes in the environment. You may be looking at spikes that are occurring in your processing or workloads. You may think that the current environment isn't performing properly, and you may have been monitoring it. This service enables us to increase the capacity of CPU, RAM, and storage into any application layer of the SAP instance, and selectively view it. We support multiple storage options in this environment, and also support checking the storage environment based on the current production system's storage footprint and technology at the time. We support virtualized VMDKs and raw device mappings, and we also work on the automation between the configuring of these and the SAP application itself. So let's go to the portal and take a look at how we can request extra capacity on the systems. In the portal, we select SAP System Elastic. And again, we're going to do this from an SAP perspective. Just picking individual systems is not going to work in this environment, especially if you have a multi-tiered environment for the SAP instance that involves multiple application servers or database servers. And if you're going to increase the capacity on the application services layer, you have to increase that across multiple systems, not only per server or a single system. So first, I'm given a list of the SAP systems that I have permissions to work on and services I can request. The system will then go back and look at the application layers that are configured for this SAP instance, and we have to select where we want to do the increase. In this case, I don't want to do it at the database layer, and I don't need to do it on the central services, but I definitely want to increase the application server component. Now, this may be one server or many. So next, the system will show which servers are in that component. In this one, we have one. It's showing us that single server. I want to increase this one from 16 gigabytes of VRAM to 32 gigabytes of VRAM in order to give it more CPUs. In the next session, we'll talk about the disk, because there's a lot more detail to discuss with regard to laying out disks that are more SAP-centric, how they're used, and how they're configured. So we're going to order that now. I'm going to accept it, agree to the terms, and submit the order, which will be placed into the system, and the schedule of the workflows will be run in here. The other side to this is that we also provide the ability to schedule these actions. So if you want to do this during a maintenance window or want to take it during a phase that's aligned for the system, we can schedule it to be done at a certain time. Other actions, such as being able to notify system users and broadcasting information, are also included as part of the process. That's a quick example of our Elastic services. Thank you.